Welcome back everyone to How to Make It with Lily. Today I'm at my local Michael's to see all the Halloween selections they have out for this year. Let's get started. Looks like they have this wonderful cute little wreath going on, and look at the pumpkin and the kitty cat over here. You can definitely use that as a candy holder. I came across these small pieces. There's different variations. This one's Boo to You. And then we have the Hocus Pocus with the kitty cat. We have another Hocus Pocus over here with the candy corn. So cute. And back here we have Happy Halloween with the pumpkins. Adorable. And then we come down to the signs, October 31st. They did a wonderful job with the arrangement, I gotta say, and the backdrops on the shelving as well. This one's super cute. Is where you hang your broom. Very cute. The pillows with the spider and the pumpkin. And then we have another Hocus Pocus themed. By the way, Hocus Pocus is coming out with Hocus Pocus 2. Who is going to watch that? Comment down below and let me know if you're a Hocus Pocus fan, because I sure am. And then we have these vintage looking kitty cats, a female and a male. You can definitely have that sitting on a shelf or something. These vintage looking signs are super cute as well. I love that Halloween is coming back with some vintage themes because I really feel that also brings out the spirit of Halloween. What is your liking when it goes to Halloween decor? Do you like the cute spooky stuff, or do you like the gory horror stuff? Comment down below and let me know. Or do you pick a theme based off of an element in Halloween, such as ghosts or witches and pumpkins? What do you like to do for your decor? I personally love the cutesy Halloween pumpkin, ghosts, and witches theme, kind of all mixed in. I do have younger ones, so I don't want to go for the gory Halloween just yet until they grow up, just for appropriateness, I think, for them to sleep at night. But these are pretty much fitting to the style of Halloween decor I like to do. These witches boots caught my eye because I think they're so adorable. They've come in different variations. I've seen them in Home Goods as well, and they have different colors. I've seen them at Ross. They're kind of everywhere, so look for those. You can't ever go wrong with the potion bottles, of course. I personally always have a hard time of basically deciding what I want the label to say and what I'm going to fill it up with for Halloween because I love it so much. Look at this cutie. So adorable. I love these little elements that they have. And then we have another kitty cat over here with Hocus Pocus theme. Oh, these are gorgeous. I can see actually melting a candle and basically putting some wax, scented wax in that. That's a cute DIY idea. And then down here we have more signs. So many great options to choose from. And then we come to the small villages of Halloween on display at Michael's. Look at how detailed these are. They're so imaginative with the different elements that they're bringing in. And here we have some Agatha's Apothecary shop. So adorable. Do you guys do this? Do you like the miniature villages? Let me know down below. And where do you like to display it? Is it on a mantle, or do you like to display it on like a small table? Do you have kids that like to play with them, or grandkids? So adorable. Look at this one. It's an Egyptian style. Oh my gosh. Different variations to choose from. This one was one of my favorite personally. And there's so many different figurines that you can mix and match and choose which one you like to do for what style. Now we come to the Edgar Allan Poe inspired Halloween theme. Edgar Allan Poe pretty much has a very special place in my heart because his poetry is dark, but sometimes it's kind of the truth of reality of the dark parts in life that we see. But also my sister, when she was training to become a graphic designer, in college. She basically had to recreate the book and in a creative way and gifted it to me. And it had Edgar Allan Poe's literature and poetry in there. And I still have it till this day. I love it. Speaking of whom, there he is down below. I love these books that they have with the skeleton hands holding it open. So wonderful. And this could really easily be paired with like apothecary themed because of all the wonderful vintage type graphic designing that they have. Look at the shelving. Even on the back of the shelving, they have the wonderful display of vintage like wallpaper that kind of makes all this pop out. That's what I mean with Michael's doing a wonderful job with the display of the Halloween themed items here. I did a Halloween DIY project in one of my videos for insect taxidermy. Feel free to click on that and take a look. Another favorite Halloween items are the snake themed and also the fortune telling themed items. I love those. I'm always finding reasons to use those in one of my rooms. And here we have a witch's cauldron that is beautifully done. I thought it was very unique the way this was done with the toads on the bottom of the cauldron. Now we come to a different section in Michael's, and this is completely Art Deco inspired Halloween from the 1910s. These chargers here were so nicely done. The gold is actually bats, but it's completely an Art Deco style. This section is about Love is Forever and the Love Potion type Halloween, which I can see some of these pieces being used for Valentine's Day later on for next year. Here we have some skeletons dressed up in the 1910s outfits, and then we have some ornaments over here. If you do a tree for Halloween, these would be wonderful. That one's a good DIY project, an idea. If you're into skeletons, you can definitely glam it up with some pearls and glitter. The pumpkins look lovely as well. Love that. And then we have this guy on the toilet that cracks me up. I love these potion bottles. I adore them. The color and everything is spot on. And now we come to another section in Michael's, and this is where they have all the picks for Halloween decor for wreaths and such. So there's a great variety to choose from here as well. You can see a lot of candy corn, a lot of ghosts, and then the spooky branches. The employees were working on putting up some of the merchandise over here, which included fall and Halloween decor. So here we have some lab, like the Crazy Lab Halloween theme, but I would say much more high end because of the matte black that was added onto the beakers. Look at these Halloween florals. Doesn't that look hilarious? This would be such a wonderful addition to your tabletop decor with the 3 cauldrons, and you can have things coming out of each one. Well friends, that's it for today's video. I thank you all so much for stopping by my channel and shopping along with me at Michael's, and I hope to see you again soon. Make sure to subscribe because I have additional uploads coming up for the seasons to come. Take care until then.